see what life has dealt to me. With every sadness I deny, I feel a chance inside me that give me a taste of something new, to touch, to hold, to pull me through. Send me a guiding light that shines across this darkened life of mine. Some soul in me, a gift of love to me, life to live for me, breathe to make me breathe. For every man who built a home, a paper promise for his own, he fights against an open flow of lies and failures. We all know, to those who have and who have not, how can you live with what you got? Give me a touch of